Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you are unable to remember your old Facebook password, and don't know what to do, then follow my video instructions to know or recover your Facebook password. Step 1. To see your Facebook password, at first open your Chrome browser, and go to Settings. Click on Password Manager. Now go to Facebook. Here you will be able to view your Facebook password. Or alternatively, you can open your Play Store. And then click on the profile icon at top right corner. Then Google account. This page will appear. Swipe left and go to Security. Now scroll down and go to Password Manager. And then click on Facebook option. Here you can view your password. But unfortunately, if you don't get your current Facebook password this way, then follow another step. Step 2. If you are already logged in but have forgotten your password Facebook, in this case at first go to your logged Facebook ID. And change your Facebook password through OTP verification. Step 3. If your Facebook ID not logged, and forgot your Facebook password, then go to Facebook official website with any browser or app like this interface. Now click on Forgot Password. Find your account with phone number or email that are associated with Facebook ID. They will send you an OTP via the associated Gmail or phone number. Enter the OTP and change your password. Step 4. If you don't have any associated phone number or email, and you are not logged in, then there is only one way to recover your password. You need to verify your identity by uploading your ID. The process is complicated, so I will show you this process in a separate video. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.